Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphone Soundcore A25i with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click enter and then add device. Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. It should enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. Now click on it and then click done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!